Hey, welcome back to your resource for South Reno neighborhood tours. My name is Ken Angst here with Elena, Boland. How's it going?
Good.
We're knocking out a lot of these today, but we're here off Arrowcreek Parkway at the Courtyards Arrowcreek by Tim Lewis. 3 different models. They're like 1,500 to 1,800 square feet. HOAs around 100 as we record this. They're actually still selling quite a few of them, so you could probably get one. I know that there's one active right now that's 1,800 for $635. One of the few places in 89511 you can get your own single family residence for under $650.
So here's some of the lots prepping to be built.
Yeah, they're stacking them in here, so they're very tight. I think they're expecting to be done in the next 18 months. So we're right off Zalezi, where Zalezi and Arrowcreek split, just to give you an idea. And they're going through here pretty quick. They got a nice drainage here. The one thing about these is they're very tight. So they're stacking them in here and getting the most out of the land use.
Good for low maintenance.
Yep.
Still in South Reno.
Yep.
Centrally located to a lot of schools.
I mean, some of them are cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, centrally located. 124 going in here.
So these are all their own freestanding homes. No shared wall. You still get a garage. It looks like you could maybe squeeze in 2 cars into some of the garages.
There's parking out here too.
There's some street parking.
I mean, it's got all we got to be better once the
once the construction's over. But you can still get in. You can put deposits down while your home is being built, or your investment property is being built. You can go look at the sales center up front at each.
Yeah, it's great, and it's close. South Reno, you're pretty centrally located, within like 5 minutes of everywhere. If you want to go to the Summit Mall, Walmart, there's all kinds of, and usually, Tim Lewis puts it pretty good together.
Good quality
Home, so.
And $100 HOA, not terrible.
Not terrible.
No.
It's common area, but it's good, and you can see why people like it. It's
right.
So if you're one of those people who just want a place where you can kind of live and then shut it down for a few months and travel, this would be a great place. Low maintenance. You don't have big yards by any stretch, and located into some pretty nice homes, and it's pretty hard to find something in that price range in 89511. So check out the Courtyards by Tim Lewis. Elena, how do they get a hold of you?
WMSReno.com.
And if you know someone that likes these tours, send them this one. If you want more information, just put Courtyards in the comment section and get back to us. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next tour. Thanks.
Okay.